to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So confused with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am not doing a vlog. I decided to do a different type of video. I am going to be doing beach waves on my hair and thought I'd show an alternative to the girls who can't use flat irons or the clip curlers. I don't know what they're called, the actual curlers. And so yeah, I am currently getting ready to go out, so this is a perfect time to film this video. So all you'll need for your hair is a wand. I am using this wand that I got a very long time ago. It doesn't even have a brand on it anymore, but I think it's just a basic like 1-inch barrel wand that I probably got from like Walmart or a beauty supply store near me. I've had this since before college. I've had this since high school. So definitely old. Well, not that old, but it's been a while since I've had it, so I'm not sure where I got it from. I'm currently doing it on this bob/lob sew-in that I have. Don't mind my hair right now. It's currently not freshly flat ironed. It's kind of dirty right now, and so that's why I'm just gonna go ahead and style it now, and then tomorrow I'll probably wash it and blow dry it and restart it. So what you want to do for your hair, mine, like I said, mine is pretty dirty, and currently it is pretty standard for me because the ends, I can't seem to get them straight enough to where I'd want to wear it straight. And so curling it has been my go-to. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the chai or chi, however you say it, heat protectant. And so what I do is I just spray some on my hair and I spray some on my hands. And I just go through like that, really getting my leave out as well. Then the other side. There's heat protectant. So what I like to do is I like to section off my hair in top half and bottom half, and I like to do the bottom half first. And if it seems like I'm rushing, I low-key am, because we have somewhere to be. We have a movie, and you know that has to start on time. The movie theater is not gonna wait on us, so that's why I'm low-key rushing. We're going to see Wolfman, I think is what it's called. It's like one of the only type of thrillers I'll get my boyfriend to watch. Something cool. Okay, so I'm gonna section off probably about, I'm gonna say like an inch. I don't know how to determine that. I have my wand curler heating up. It's been on 30, whatever 30 is, probably on yours. Put the wand curler behind my hair. That's what I want to do. The curl behind my face. And then what you want to do is leave some hair off the wand. You want the ends to be straight on some pieces. And so you just hold it. And I'm not really worried about that piece that fell off because it's gonna be straight anyway. And then you just let it go like that. And so you see it's just like a little slight bump in it. It's not an actual curl. And so I'm gonna do this bottom row. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I want all the hair on this side of my head to be facing the same way. And so I'll leave some hair off of the curler, like that. And I'm just curling this piece. Because you want the ends to be straight, so therefore it's a wave. Same thing curling away. And I'm just holding it like that. Okay, and I'm gonna do this for this whole side, curling away from my face. Okay, and at the top, I want to point out that I am clipping the little one curl a little bit with some hair clips, just because I still have to do my makeup and I still have to spray it with the holding spray. And so while the hair is waiting on that, I'll just go ahead and just add a clip after I curl it, like so. And instead of spraying right away, I'm just gonna go ahead and just clip it right on that curl. And clip it right there, just so it can hold while I'm finished curling the rest of my head, because I move a little slow and I don't want the little one waves to go away. So make sure in the front you don't curl it up too high where the curl is like all rolled up and it's sitting on top of your head. You want the curl to kind of be where you want, like where you would want like a bang to fall. And so I just curled it like so. And then whenever it's done, it's like at the perfect position to clip the curl like so. And then I am going to use these clips to kind of keep the curl out my face while I do my makeup. So now all these pieces are clipped going down, and I'm gonna do the other side. I also want to point out that clipping the hair is totally optional. You do not have to clip your curls. I just know that me, I am very slow and I am not a skilled hairstylist, so I like to take my time, try and get it right. Okay, so I know I kind of look a mess right now. I got a lot going on, but we finished curling my head. Some pieces I'm not too worried about clipping because they're underneath, and we're just going to move these. But if you wanted to clip your whole head, that'd be cool. Or if you didn't want to clip it all and you just want like a looser wave, that's also cool. Now I will be using a holding spray to hold my hair. This is the holding spray. This is the holding spray I'm using. It's called ISO Plus. I've never used it before. I got it from my local beauty supply. It says design, shape, and amp it up. So I think that's more what I'm going for. It's a little bit more volume. It's humidity resistant and it's non-sticky. That was what really caught my eye because I really hate the sticky holding sprays. So I'm just gonna spray it in my hair like so. And then this side, I'm gonna get a little distance. So and then that side. Wow, that's powerful. Okay. And so that was good enough for me. I'm going to finish getting ready and then come back with the results on my hair. Fingers crossed, it's gonna be okay. I'm also gonna use more holding spray whenever I take out the curls. But I just want to get some right now going. Okay guys, I'm back. Don't mind my lips, okay? The lip combo, we all know, comes last. So it's time to take these clips out. I am in a rush, so let me get to unclipping. Okay, I had to run and get my Y2 comb, which I like to use. So I'm gonna put a little bit more hairspray in the hair. Just spraying at a distance because it feels kind of wet. I don't know about this hairspray. But if you guys have any hairspray, holding spray recommendations, let me know. I'm gonna take my Y2 comb and just comb through like that just to get the perfect wave. And then on this side, This side's a little tighter. I must have been, I had a little practice by the time I got over there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just comb it out to your liking. And yeah, I'll probably fall more. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put a little bit more spray underneath, but that's literally it. I'm gonna keep it like this because it has to last for some hours. Okay, but I love how they're all uniform. Yeah, this side's a little looser. I don't know. I may like this side more. I don't know. We'll see as the night goes on. But yeah, I may come back and let you guys know how this holding spray holds. But if I don't, thank you guys so much for watching. This is just a quick tutorial. Very easy. Like I said, I'm not a hairstylist, but I know how I like my hair. And so I thought I'd show you guys a way to do it without the curling iron or flat iron, just with the wand. And so yeah, this is how it turns out. Okay, and like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and like, okay? We're being consistent this year. Yeah, hope you guys have a good rest of your evening or your day, whatever time you're watching this. Bye.